In this video, I'm going to share with you how to access the Akashic Records to bring clarity, purpose, and direction into your life. Those who have accessed the Akashic Records report gaining insights into their past lives, having premonitions of future paths and outcomes, experiencing increased psychic intuition, and achieving a deeper understanding of tarot card readings. Accessing the Akashic Records enables individuals to gain deep insights into their soul's journey, understand past, present, and future events in a more profound context, and receive guidance for life decisions. This practice fosters a stronger connection to one's higher self and the universal consciousness, encouraging healing, clarity, and a sense of purpose. By tapping into the Akashic Records, people can uncover hidden truths about themselves and their life paths, leading to transformative experiences and spiritual advancement. Stick with me through this video and I'll share with you how you can access a free pre-recorded course for beginners. This will enable you to learn how to access the Akashic Records on your own through videos, audio meditations, and supplementary text materials. The idea of the Akashic Records has historical roots in various spiritual and mystical traditions. The Akashic Records are sometimes linked to the ancient Hindu scriptures known as the Vedas. Akasha is a Sanskrit word meaning ether, space, or sky, and in Hindu philosophy, it is considered the fundamental basis of all things in the material world. The concept of a universal record may be inferred from the Vedic idea of Akasha as a metaphysical space where all thoughts, events, and experiences are stored. In various religious traditions, such as Christianity and Judaism, there is mention of the Book of Life, or similar records in texts like the Bible and the Torah. For example, in Revelation 20:12 it is said, "And I saw the dead, great and small, standing before the throne, and books were opened. Another book was opened, which is the Book of Life." This concept parallels the idea of a divine ledger that records the deeds of every individual. In Mesopotamian mythology, the tablets of destiny were believed to contain the details of fate and the future. These tablets were held by the god Enlil, and whoever possessed them had control over the destiny of all beings. In modern interpretations, the Akashic Records have been linked to the concept of the Akashic Field, or A field, a term coined by philosopher and systems theorist Ervin Laszlo. He describes it as a field that conserves and conveys information, a field that has the attribute of memory. The Akashic Records as a term was popularized by theosophists in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, particularly by Madame Blavatsky, who integrated the concept into her theosophical teachings. Madame Helena Petrovna Blavatsky, often known as H.P. Blavatsky, was a Russian occultist, philosopher, and author who co-founded the Theosophical Society in 1875. She is widely regarded as one of the leading figures in modern Western esotericism. Blavatsky's work and writings played a crucial role in the Western transmission and revival of Eastern religious and philosophical ideas, and she was instrumental in introducing concepts such as karma and reincarnation to the Western world. Her major works include Isis Unveiled and The Secret Doctrine, the latter of which is considered her magnum opus. In The Secret Doctrine, Blavatsky outlined the complex cosmology and spiritual evolution of the universe and humanity, drawing from a synthesis of science, religion, and philosophy. She claimed to have received her knowledge from enlightened beings known as the Masters or Mahatmas, who were said to possess ancient wisdom. According to Laura Coe from the Little Soul School, the Akashic Records are described as an energetic space where an individual's soul history is stored, encompassing all their experiences. This space provides a direct connection to one's immediate sense of knowing. The information revealed in the Akashic Records is tailored to the specific lessons needed for personal growth and progress in one's current life circumstances. By accessing this field, individuals can utilize these lessons to move forward in various aspects of life, such as business, relationships, and personal development. The experience of accessing the Akashic Records can vary greatly among individuals. Some may receive information in the form of visual images, colors, or movie clips, while others might hear sounds, music, or receive intuitive feelings and sensations. This knowledge can come as instant downloads or insights that provide clarity and understanding about one's life circumstances, challenges, and soul's journey. The process typically begins with setting a clear intention or asking specific questions about what one wishes to know. This is followed by entering a receptive state of mind, often achieved through meditation or prayer, where the individual is open to receiving guidance and insights from the Akashic Records. It's important to approach the experience with an open heart and mind, allowing whatever insights and guidance come through to be received without judgment. While accessing the Akashic Records can be a powerful and revelatory experience, it's also emphasized that emotional and mental preparedness is crucial. Exploring past lives and other realms can be intense and transformative, requiring individuals to be grounded and ready to navigate any unresolved emotions or traumas that may arise. Moreover, the experience is described as uplifting and healing, with the energy in the Akashic Records being meditative and supportive of personal growth and healing. Past lives and future possibilities. By accessing the Akashic Records, individuals have the opportunity to both dig into past lives, gaining insights into how past experiences and lessons shape their current life circumstances, and explore future possibilities, offering a glimpse into potential future paths and outcomes. This dual perspective allows individuals to make informed decisions and choices based on a comprehensive understanding of their soul's journey across time. Healing and resolution. The Akashic Records can reveal past traumas, patterns, and choices that affect the present. By bringing these to light, individuals can work towards healing past wounds, resolving ongoing conflicts, and releasing emotional baggage that hinders personal growth. Spiritual growth and enhanced psychic ability. The journey into the Akashic Records is inherently spiritual. It can accelerate spiritual growth, enhance one's connection to the divine or the universe, and foster a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. Working with the Akashic Records can enhance one's psychic abilities by providing a deeper connection to intuitive insights and spiritual guidance. Karmic understanding. The records offer a view into one's karmic cycles, showing how past actions and decisions impact the present and future. This understanding can motivate positive changes and karmic resolution. Support tarot readings. The information obtained from the Akashic Records can complement tarot readings by offering a broader perspective and deeper understanding of the symbolic messages conveyed through the cards. In essence, accessing the Akashic Records offers guidance and wisdom, empowering individuals to navigate life's challenges, make informed decisions, and fulfill their potential from a higher, more expansive perspective. This wisdom provides solutions and advice that align with one's highest good, confirming inner truths, strengthening intuition, and encouraging individuals to confidently take control of their life path. This process not only aids in resolving immediate concerns, but also facilitates a deeper understanding of one's purpose and destiny, fostering a sense of empowerment and spiritual growth. The Akashic Records are described as a living, breathing, and ever-changing entity that adapts to your own changes and new choices. When you make different choices, you can change not only future situations recorded in your personal Akashic Records, but also past and present situations. This is because the Akashic Records are not bound by our human construction of time and space, and everything is happening simultaneously. By healing past wounds and rewriting the information contained in your individual Akashic Records, you are effectively healing yourself in all directions of time and space, which can alter your future experiences and the karma associated with them. Additionally, the Akashic Records can provide clarity on soul contracts and past life commitments. And since we live in a universe ruled by free will, there is the potential to change these contracts and the karma they entail. Furthermore, the concept of karmic healing or Akashic Records healing involves accessing and healing past life memories, records, or files stored in the Akashic Records, which can lead to a better life for oneself or loved ones. This healing process can address the spiritual and energetic origins of physical, mental, and emotional imbalances, thereby influencing future outcomes and potentially resolving karmic debt. To access the Akashic Records, the process involves setting intentions, meditating, and being open to receiving information. Here are the key steps based on the information from the sources provided. Accessing the Akashic Records is said to require a heightened state of consciousness achieved through specific spiritual practices. There are various methods claimed to enable access, but the most common approach involves deep meditation or entering a trance-like state. Below are the steps often suggested for accessing the Akashic Records. Prepare yourself. Find a quiet, comfortable, and safe space where you won't be disturbed. This space should also feel sacred to you, enhancing the spiritual nature of the task ahead. Relax your body and mind through deep breathing exercises or any relaxation techniques you prefer. Set an intention. Clearly articulate your intention to access the Akashic Records. Ensure your intention is positive, specific, and focused on the purpose of your exploration, detailing the specific information or guidance you seek. Enter a meditative state. Close your eyes and deepen your state of relaxation. If you're new to meditation, be patient with yourself as this may take practice. You can use visualization techniques or mantras to help calm your mind and facilitate entry into a meditative state. Visualize the records. Once in a deep meditative state, allow yourself to imagine entering a sacred space or a spiritual library. Let the visualization of the Akashic Records as a vast library or a boundless field of energy surrounding you unfold naturally, without forcing a specific image. Seek permission and protection. It's advised to seek permission from the spiritual guardians or guides of the Akashic Records before proceeding. Approach this step with humility and respect, mentally or verbally asking for their guidance, protection, and assistance during your exploration. Ask questions. You can prepare a list before the meditation to help you remember. State your questions or intentions clearly in your mind, being specific yet open to comprehensive answers. The way you phrase your questions can influence the clarity and depth of the insights you receive. Receive and trust. Allow the information to flow to you, trusting your intuition and the messages you receive. Be patient, as discerning the information accurately may take practice. Remember, answers might not always come immediately. Remain open to insights that may present themselves later. Close with gratitude. Conclude your experience with gratitude for the insights received. Remember that accessing unhealed trauma can be overwhelming, so seek professional help if needed. Record your experience. After your exploration, take time to write down or record your experiences, insights, and any information received. Revisiting these records after some time can offer additional layers of reflection and insight, helping you integrate the wisdom gained from the Akashic Records. If you're interested in learning how to do this yourself, check out the free video course for beginners linked in the description. This course will enable you to learn how to access the Akashic Records on your own through videos, audio meditations, and supplementary text materials. In summary, accessing the Akashic Records is ideal for those aspiring to become self-reliant and assert control over their life's trajectory. Engaging with the Akashic Records allows individuals to discover concealed truths about themselves and their life paths, catalyzing transformative experiences and fostering spiritual growth. This self-guided exploration can minimize the need to frequently seek advice and clarification from external sources, empowering individuals to make informed decisions with confidence and clarity. And with that, I wish you peace, love, and enlightenment.